Before I even get started with this video, I just want to tell you guys I'm going to start making more trading videos and more vlogs. These are going to be my new type of videos. I'm going to stop with the little, I challenge this or win this and win that. I want to show you guys how to make money, and I want to show you guys fun stuff like with cars and stuff I'm into. And I'm also going to be me more, okay? Instead of trying to copy the crowd of, oh, trying this TikTok hack or person want to do this, I'm gonna stop that. Anyways, if you guys are new to the channel, I hope you guys are having a great day. If you don't gotta subscribe, I just want to help you to gain this skill set of becoming wealthy and helping yourself retire and retiring your parents, little brothers and little sisters, older people, whatever, give back to the community. This is me at this point, okay? But if you aren't, if you guys do want to hit that subscribe button, you know, thank you. So as you can see, I made $201.09 in 46 minutes. The job doesn't even pay you that much unless you got a freaking high-end paying job. So I'm about to break down my strategy and how I made $201 trading NASDAQ or nas100. Now, if you go to my charts on TradingView, I recommend using TradingView if you do want to mark up your stuff. It's simple, easy, it's better to read stuff, and you can actually like move your charts around more. So I always start on a daily time frame. I always mark up my supports and resistance ranges. So we have a resistance range here on a daily, support, or now all these are resistance because the market came back down slightly, but you just want to mark your key levels. And when I mean mark up the key levels, mark up where it taps the most and where it's like more constant tapping and more accurate tapping. So as you see here, for example, this close above, shot back up, close below, shot back down, close below, shot back down, wicks. That's what I basically mean. And if we go to another time frame, for example this one, or a time frame, another area, for this one, for example, wicks closed below, one down, wicks closed above, go up, wicks, I say wicks, wicks, same difference, wicks. That's what I mean about marking your daily time up, wow. So always start on the daily time frame. Then I go down to the lower time frame, 4-hour time frame. Sometimes you might not find an accurate type for your 4-hour time frame. Sometimes you will, okay? But in this case I did. So the reason why I took this trade is because, did you see in the 4-hour time frame, it broke above but came back below, created this support range. So I drew a support range right here, came back up and make a resistance range. So that's the reason why that is resistance range for me, okay? Now if I go down to the hourly time frame, this overall market was an arranging market. It's a good area to take a trade in, not take a trade in, but an area to come back down, keep in mind, because it's ranging so much in this area. As you see, this is a very bearish market. Only reason I'm saying that is because it came down, broke below, came back, retested multiple times and failed to break above. Up here was a bad range to take a trade because it was constantly up and down sideways market. You can still make money in sideways market, you gotta know how to trade it, proper risk management, and you'll be good. But I waited and it broke below even further when I wanted to take a trade, but it broke way further than I could get. But you know, that's okay, it's part of trading. We'll go down to the 15-minute time frame. Now if we go to the 15-minute time frame, you can see it broke back above, but with patience, you always wait, okay? So with patience, it broke back down, and I was keeping in mind, I want a retest. With retest, it's always a good key factor to keep when it comes to trading. Retest means that it's just confirming that this zone is bearish or bullish. It doesn't always follow like the rules, but let's say 70% of the time or 80% of the time, if your trades work out 80% of the time with the retest, keep that plan. And if it sometimes, like I said, it'll just break straight down, but at that point in time you wouldn't know if it reverse and go back up or continue straight down. We wouldn't know because we can't tell what the market's going to do, but with our strategies we could go with the flow of the market, okay? So keep that in mind. So as I waited, it broke down below. I was going to wait till it comes back up, but it went straight down below, and I went to the 5-minute time frame and realized this is where I want to take my trade at. I got my trade on this candle right here. This one that went up. I'm capping. I'm really capping. Hold on. I got my trade right here as it broke this. So on the 1-minute time frame actually. But the reason why I took this trade, broke down below, broke support, created resistance, came back, tapped, created a very bearish, very bearish candle. And on the middle of that candle, I took a trade. So, and then let me keep this in mind, guys. If you got a strategy that you see like other YouTubers using and it's working for them, trust your strategies and perfect that, okay? You won't perfect your strategy, but you could definitely make sure your strategy works super good. And there's no 100% winning strategy out there. Keep that in mind. So if you make $200 today and you lose the next 4 days of $25, it's only $100. Okay, you losing that much money doesn't mean your strategy is not working anymore or it's out the window. It just means that the market's not really going with your flow. Okay, the market, you got to go with the market's flow. So if it reverses, start looking to take buys. Okay, so if it keeps going down to sales, keep looking to take sales. Just go with the strategy. Okay, do not try to go gotta quench my thirst real quick. Do not try to go against the trend, okay? Always go with the flow. The trend is your I do got my window open, but dog, that man motor vehicle sound like this, like 200 fart powers, like it don't even sound good. He didn't get that checked out. Anyways, the trend is your friend. Always remember that, okay? The trend is your friend. If you know how to trade reversals, all that means you can shut me up, okay? Put tape around my mouth, it don't matter. But if you don't, always go with the trend, okay? I got into this trade off a rejection. You can see this candle is a rejection, and it dropped straight down. It didn't hit all my zones, but this is how I mark up my take profit levels. I go to about my 15-minute time frame if I could go back that far, and I use my white lines. So first TP level, I'm always on the lines. I put about right here. That's my first TP level, okay? So as soon as it hits my TP level 1, or take profit because on the TP is, I move my stops to break even. As soon as it hits TP2, I just let it ride, cause you know what I'm saying? So my TP level 2 is about right here, in this area. And I draw all my TP levels. TP3 is about this range right here, and all the way down, so forth and so on. Here's my other TP range right here. I just keep, you know what I'm saying? You guys don't want to shoot for the sky, but like, I don't shoot for the skies personally. I just go to zone. You guys can shoot for the sky if you want to. Move your take profit all the way down there in case the market one day just dumps out of nowhere. You make so much money. It's possible. It happens to people before. But this is how I mark on my TP zones. So as you guys can see, here's my TP zones. And if you look on the lower time frame, you can see how the rejections had happened. I'm pointing, like, if you guys can see, like, okay, I got a mouse for a reason. I don't know why I'm pointing. Now as you can see, it broke, came back and hit this range right here. I knew it was gonna like either stop in this area to go back up, or it's just gonna consolidate, or if it went straight down. Those are three things that I knew, because those are the three things that can only happen, okay? So what I did is move my stop loss about above this candle right here when it closed, actually right here when it closed, and it went back up, took me out. But I can't be mad because I profited $200+ today, okay? So this is gonna be a short video. It wasn't gonna be really long because I'm explaining this. I'm gonna start doing live trading, but every time I do that, my computer for some reason just freaking freezes on me. But let's see if I could. Well, I'm building a new computer right now, so the live trading is gonna come back happening. Plus the live streams when it comes to trading and all that. That's gonna happen in the future. So yeah, that's basically it for this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, I hope you guys took some knowledge to this. So I'm gonna start uploading more videos and of trading, car stuff, vlogs and all that. There's really not much to it. Trading is simple, I guess. Like pretty straightforward. You just gotta learn to master it. It's very hard to master because a lot of people with a lot of new people to trading, they come to trading think they're gonna come rich quick or rich overnight. I learned that the hard way. I always traded live accounts, and I kept throwing multiple hundreds of dollars in accounts. And I thought when I saw my first $100, $200 floating, I was like, yo, this is easy. It's, you know what the market did? The market ended up like grabbing me on my hips and slammed me, and it kind of hurt. I ain't gonna lie. You gotta understand, I finally just hit a year of trading in July 4th. That's when I literally first started learning how to trade. And I'm consistent. Even with the losses, I got mad, but you also gotta keep in mind, them are small losses to compare to the losses that you will be making in the future, okay? Your losses right now might be, depends on your account size, $200 losses, $10 losses, $15, $20 losses, $30 losses, etc. You gotta keep in mind, even the wealthiest traders, the smartest traders, the best traders take losses too, so it's normal. Everybody take losses, okay? You just gotta know how to handle your losses. It's a lot of psychology stuff. If you know that your trading plan works and it's working for Aaron over there and D Nice over there and freaking Timothy over there, and they're all using supply and demand, and they're doing the same thing that you're doing, or you're doing the same thing that they're doing, just keep in mind, they know how to handle losses and they're trusting in their strategies, okay? If the trade goes against you, like there's sometimes trades will go against you straight off the bat, and then be like, F your strategy, and go straight up and take you up. There's some days that your strategy will literally take you straight down to profit, or straight out to profit, whatever way you're going. Buy, sell, long, short, doesn't matter. But you gotta understand, once you get in that trade, you have to trust yourself. Don't back down. Your heart, yes, your heart might be faster than what it is. It might go from 80 beats per minute to freaking 265 beats per minute. At that point, I don't know if you're alive anymore, but still, you get what I'm saying. Trust in your strategy. Don't give up. The difference between pro traders and amateur traders, pro traders didn't give up. They was about to, but they did it because they knew what the future was looking like. Amateur traders, they give up in the first few months or first few weeks or first few days because they realize they're losing a lot of money, so they quit. Pro traders, they realize they lose a lot of money, but what is a lot of money to a whole bunch of money that you're gonna gain in the future? You feel me? Anyways, hope you guys are having an amazing day. Hope you keep a smile on your face, and I hope to see you guys next time. Go ahead and comment down below the reason why you want to start trading, or go ahead and comment down below where you're from, what currency you trading, or go ahead and comment down below, or go ahead and comment down below. You're going to become a wealthy trader, and I believe in you. Whatever you do, don't give up. I believe in you, alright? Anyways, without further ado, I'll see you in the next video. Deuces.